everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because Enhypen's album came out and I'm really excited. I did already open this. I just get so impatient, okay? But I did open this. I know what's inside and it is so exciting. I did see a disclaimer, I think on Weverse they sent it out about inclusions being mixed up. I only have this version. This is the Storm version. So I think it was this version and the Forbidden version, the inclusions were messed up. But I don't really care, okay? I buy albums not for the inclusions. I buy them for the PCs and maybe the posters. But I love this packaging. I love that it's a box. I don't understand why it's gotta be so long. But whatever. It's thin, so I think it'll fit nicely on my shelf. But here's the inside. Oh, I don't want all the stuff to show. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, well here's one sticker. It says Power Vamp. It's like a bottle cap. There's dog everywhere. Vampire Pursuit Unit. It's like a patch, but it's a sticker, but it's supposed to look like a patch. I think it would have been cool if it was a patch. Here's the CD. I have every version coming, and then the Jungwon member one coming. I bought my sister Jay because she found Heesung, and we're going to trade. What's this? Oh yeah, here is the member photo. Oh, you can kind of see me. Anyway, member. This is like an ad card. Live forever, digest better. Immortal health begins in your gut. Oh yeah, this is like an evidence baggie, and it has all of this stuff in it. Like it has, well, this is in it. Human, name. Oh, here's another one. Wait, I feel like you were only supposed to get one in here. I think one of these is supposed to go to the other one, I think, right? I don't know. Daylight Coffee. Something brew. Demo brew? I have no idea. Well, you can already see this, but I got Jungwon. He's my bias. I have two biases in every group. He is one of my biases. He's so cute. I liked Jungwon before I even knew he was in Enhypen. I had no idea. I saw his strawberry chocolate video, and I thought it was so cute, and I sent it to my sister, and I was like, who is this? Because I keep seeing it everywhere, and I watch it every single time. This is a lyric book. Save those. Okay, so this is like... Whoa. Huge posters. We'll open it like a book, though. Ooh. Okay, so what's your favorite song from this? Because I think so far, my favorite song is Stealer or Love Island. I really like those songs. I was not a huge fan of Knife, but the more I listen to it, like, it's getting stuck in my head. So it is kind of good. Wow, Jungwon. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I don't know. Is this like a flyer? Vampire Pursuit Unit. We chase what others forget. Pursuit Unit. Beyond the Light. Oh my gosh. Jungwon. Oh, Heesung. Oh my gosh. Nikki. I would so bias Nikki, but it's really weird because like my sister's name is Nikki, so it confuses me. Her bias is Jay. And I think she likes Nikki too. Jake, that's my friend's bias. And then, oh, Seungmin is my other friend's bias. So at least we all have different biases for this group. We share Stray Kids a little bit. I don't know which one is the Walmart exclusive. That's where I bought it. But, let's see. See, I got Heesung. I was so happy when I pulled Heesung. Jungwon! I think that's cute. A little lollipop thing. And then Jungwon. kind of like he's in street clothes. Yeah, I don't know which one is the Walmart exclusive. I'm gonna have to look it up. But I cannot wait for my other albums to come. I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I saw the Walmart exclusive and I was like, I have to have it. And then I went to another Walmart because the one Walmart only had Jungwon and I already have him coming. So I was like, okay, I need to find another one. But they had Seungmin. So I was like, I'm not going to just buy it because it's there. I really want Heesung. But my sister found Heesung. So then I bought her J. So hopefully we can swap. But yeah, I was so excited. Like, look, they're so beautiful. I ordered a Skazoo speaker. So that's Stray Kids. And it came with a Heesung pad. It came with this. I'm going to have to figure out what this actually is. I don't know. I thought it was weird because it also came with Momo from Twice. I don't know if it was just something they were doing for that day. Because I bought something else and it came with Heesung. Oh, I think I bought Jay's Desire Unleash. And I think it came with this. I don't know, but I'm fine. Keep sending me Heesung pops because he is my bias. That is everything for this video finally. So I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!